Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a keyboard to your Mac. First, identify your keyboard type, whether it's wired, Bluetooth, or uses a USB receiver. Next, ensure your Mac's operating system is updated to the latest version for optimal compatibility. Finally, gather any necessary adapters or cables, such as a USB-C to USB-A adapter, before you begin the connection process. This preparation will make the setup smooth and efficient. Connecting a wired keyboard is usually the simplest method. Just locate an available USB-A or USB-C port on your Mac. If your Mac only has USB-C ports and your keyboard has a USB-A connector, you'll need a USB-C to USB-A adapter. Plug the keyboard's cable directly into the correct port. Your Mac should then automatically detect and configure the wired keyboard, making it ready for immediate use without any further steps. For Bluetooth keyboards, first ensure the keyboard is charged and then turn it on, activating its pairing mode. This often involves holding a specific button for a few seconds. On your Mac, open System Settings, then click on Bluetooth in the sidebar. Wait for your keyboard to appear in the list of nearby devices. Once it does, select your keyboard and click the Connect button to complete the pairing process. It's quite straightforward. If your wireless keyboard uses a USB receiver, the setup is also very simple. First, insert the small USB receiver into an available USB-A or USB-C port on your Mac. If needed, use an adapter. Next, make sure your wireless keyboard has fresh batteries and is powered on. The Mac should then automatically detect the receiver and establish a connection with your keyboard, allowing you to start typing within moments. No extra software is typically required.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.